Hello everyone, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. Today we are discussing a question paper, a specimen paper, paper 2, a non-calculator paper for extended students. And this is for the examination 2025. Everyone can, after 2025 also, you can practice this question. Exam code is 0580, so paper 2. In the second page, you will be having a list of formulas. So always make sure you are practicing the questions by using this formula sheet. Only these formula will be provided for your exams. So this I am doing like several parts. So this is part 1. We will be discussing a few questions here. Later in the next coming parts, we will discuss the remaining questions. So first question. So make sure you cannot use calculator. So you should know how to do each and every question without using calculator. So first question, work out 0.01 whole square. So square means multiply the same number 2 times. So 0.01 times 0.01. So what is 0.01 times 0.01? So multiplying decimal. So first we just multiply the numbers. Whatever numbers you have here, you just multiply the number. So here the number is 1. So here is also 0.01. The number is 1, right? So 1 times 1, you will get 1. Then how many decimals we have here? Here we have 2 decimal. Here we have 2 decimals. So total number of decimals are 4. So in the answer you need 4 decimals. So we'll add zeros before it. So we'll get 0.0001 is the answer. Okay, so 0.0001. So always remember, when you multiply the decimals, just multiply the numbers, then check how many decimal points are here. So total number of decimal points, here it is 2 and here also it is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 decimal places. So in the answer we need 4 decimal places. We'll move to the next question. Write 57.3997 correct to 4 significant figures. So 4 significant figures means we already maybe you already finished the significant figures and all. So here 4 significant figures means we need just 4 numbers. Okay, so when you write these 4 numbers, we have to round and write it into 4 significant figure. So you can just check the very next number. So if the very next number is 5 or more than 5, you need to add 1 here. So when you add 9 plus 1, you will get 9 and 1. We will add 1 here. So 9 will become 10. Or just see here, 39 will become 40. So the 4 significant figure is 57.40. So this is the answer. So if you have one more question, just only the final answer is enough. If you can directly write the answers, you can do that. No need of step. They won't check the steps. If you want, you can always check the marking scheme. See here only 1 marks, right? So for the first one, you can see this one, you can write it as standard form also, no problem for that. Okay, then we'll see the question number 3. Amy changes 250 euros into dollars. Exchange rate is 1 euro is $1.10. Calculate the number of dollars Amy receives. So here it is given 1 euro is $1.10. We need to find for 250 euros, right? So 250 euros we have to find. So here you can see we are multiplying by 250. So in the right side also we'll multiply by 250. That is, we'll get 1.10 times 250. Okay. So multiplication of decimal, as I previously said, you can multiply the numbers first. So here the number is 250 itself, for just 250 or 25. Okay. Or you can split like this. This will become, this 0 you can multiply here. So it will become 11 times 25. Okay. So we'll just find 11 times 25. So 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 1 is 2, then add 0 here, 5 times 1, 5, 2 times 1 you will get 2, so 5, 7, 2. So you will get $275. Okay, so otherwise you can do like this also. Here we need to multiply this one. You can do any method that you already know, follow that, no problem. 1.10 you can write like this as fraction, 11 over 10, okay, times you will get 250. So you can cancel the zeros, you can simplify it. Then the same thing, 11 times 25, you will get 275. Otherwise, you can do one more method. You can take 250 times, you have 1, then plus 1.1 it is, right? So you can multiply with 1 and you can multiply 250 times 0.1 also you can do. So you will get here it is 250 plus 250 times 0.1 will become 2 point, you will get 25. Okay, so 250 plus 25, again you will get the same answer, 275. So which method you are following, follow the same method. If you are in the final stage of preparation, don't change the method now. Okay, so we'll move to question number 4. The diagram shows two triangles ABD. You can see ABD, this triangle, and ADC, ADC, the second triangle. BDC is a straight line. So it is given this as a straight line, and AB equal to AC, AB this side and this side are equal. Sometimes they will directly give AB equal to AC, otherwise they will mark some line like this. It means that both the sides are same. Okay, so angle ABD is 61, it is already marked here. Angle ADC is 81, that is also marked. Work out the angle DAC. So we'll mark the angle DAC. So this is the angle DAC. So first we have to find angle ACD. This angle we will find first, then only we can reach the question. Okay, so how to find angle ACD, or you can say DCA also. Okay, so they have given a hint that AB equal to AC. That means this bigger triangle is an isosceles triangle. So there is a property for isosceles triangle. There will be two sides are equal and also two angles are also will be equal. So opposite of this side, this opposite of this side is this angle, opposite of this side is this angle. So these two angles will be also equal because it is isosceles triangles. So this angle you will get 61 degree. I hope it is clear for you. If you have an isosceles triangle like this, if these two sides are equal, opposite of these two sides, this angles will be also equal. This is isosceles triangle property. Okay, so this angle will become 61 degree. Then now it is easy for you, so we will just write 61 degree here. So now you can directly find DAC, angle DAC is equal to, so in this triangle sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can find it 180 minus 81 plus 61 degree. Okay, so you will get 180 minus 81 plus 61 is 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 6 is 14, so 142. So the answer will become 180 minus 142 is 38 degree. So the angle DAC is 38 degree. So this is the answer. I hope you know how to subtract the number 142. You can use the basic method, or directly if you can find it you can write, no problem for that. So here you will get 8, so 1 will go here, so here only will get 7, so 7 minus 4 is 3, so 38 degree. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. So the next question number 5. So we have convert 0.17 meter square into centimeter square. Okay, so we need to convert 0.17 meter square into centimeter square. I hope all of you know how to change meter to centimeter. Meter to centimeter we will multiply by 100. Okay, so if it is meter square and centimeter square, you have to multiply by 100 square. Okay, if it is meter cube and centimeter cube, you have to multiply by 100 cube. Okay, this is a easy way to understand. Okay, so here we have 0.17 meters square. We need to change to centimeter square. So multiply by 100 square. These are all direct questions, so no need of steps. Okay, only 1 mark question, so no need to write the step. You can just calculate it here and write the final answer here. Okay, keep in mind you cannot use calculator. Okay, 0.17 times 100 square is, we have how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay, 100 times 100, you will get 10,000. So 2 zeros will cancel this decimals of 17. So you will get 17. And how many zeros remaining? 2 zeros. So you will get 1,700. So write the answer here, 1,700 centimeter square. Okay, and always don't forget to write the final answer. If the space provided there, you have to write the final answer in the space provided. Okay, don't forget that. Next one, the mass of a solid cuboid is 4 kilogram. Okay, so mass is given 4 kilogram. The volume of the cuboid is 600 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of the metal, giving your answer in gram per centimeter cube. Here the formula is given. Density is equal to mass over volume. What is mass? Mass is 4 kilogram over volume is 600 centimeter cube. Okay. So here we need the answer in gram per centimeter cube. So we have to change this kilogram to gram. How to change the kilogram to gram? We have to multiply by 1000. So 4 will become 4000 divided by 600 centimeter cube. Okay, then no need to write 4000 over 600 always. If you can simplify it here itself. Okay, I am cancelling 2 zeros, cancel the zeros. Then 4 and 6, 4 and 6 both are multiple of 2. So divide both of them by 2. You can simplify it, it will become 2 over 3. Okay, you will get 20 over 3. Okay, actually this answer is an improper fraction, right? So we cannot write the final answer in improper fraction. So always make sure you have to change the improper fraction to mixed fraction or decimal number in 3s. Okay, so if it is normal fraction, no problem, you can write the final answer like that only. If it is improper fraction, change it. So 20 over 3, we get 3 times 6 is 18. So how many 6 times 3 is 18. So 18, 2 is remaining. So you can write 2 over, the denominator is same, you will get 3. So 6, 2 over 3. Otherwise, you can write in the same way, you can write it as decimal also. If you know the older method, you can do like this, 20 and 3. So it will become 6, 18 remaining. So what is remaining? 2. So 6, 2 over 3. Okay, so if you're practicing more and more, no need to divide like this, you can directly write the answer. Or decimal, you will get 6.6666, so write it in 3s. Okay, so the final answer is 6 2 over 3 or 6.67 you can write. I hope it's clear for you. Then we'll move to the question number 7. Yeah, vectors, the simple form of vectors. So the first one, find u minus 2v. Okay, so first you can directly find u minus 2v. So what is u? U is 3 and minus 2. Then we have minus 2 times. What is v? V is negative 12 and 5. Okay, so here you will get the first vector is 3 minus 2, and second vector 2 times negative 12 is, you will get negative 24, and 2 times 5 will become 10. So you can subtract the vectors. So you'll get 3 minus minus 24, 3 minus minus 24, then here negative 2, negative 10. Okay, so the final answer, 3 minus minus 24 will become 3 plus 24, minus minus will become plus, then negative 2, negative 10 will become negative 12. So 3 plus 24 will become 27, then here is negative 12. Here the question is 2 marks, that means for the first one you will get 1 mark, the second one 1 mark. So only the final answer is enough. if you can do it directly. Okay, no need to show the steps. For vectors, 1 mark for the first one and 1 mark for the second. Then the next question, finding modulus of b. Okay, we have to find the modulus of b. If you don't know, please note, if you have a and b vector like this, so to find the modulus, you have to take square root of a square plus b square. So actually it will come like this, x and y axis. Maybe you already know this. So here modulus of b will become square root of, here, minus 12 square. So put a bracket, minus 12 square plus the second y is 5 square. So you can put 5 square. Then negative 12 square is 12 times negative 12 times negative 12, that you will get negative will become positive. 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25. Okay, then 144 plus 25 is 169. Okay, so 169 square root is 13. So the answer is 13. Okay, it's better if you by heart sum of the squares and square root, or the method to find it easily. So in this question, no need to think too many times. See, here 144 and 169. You can just see 144 is 12 square. So either the last digit is 9. So how you will get last digit 9? 3 square is 9. So like that you can just think and find out it very easily. Okay, so modulus of b is 30. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Question number 8. The diagram shows a semicircle with diameter 9 centimeter. Calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. Give your answer in exact form. Okay, exact form means that pi form you will get. You can keep the answer like that. No need to change the decimal or anything. Okay, so perimeter means what? Perimeter means add all the boundary sides. So we need to add 9 plus, here we have arc length of this sector. Okay, how to find arc length of the sector? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. I will write the formula here. In the beginning they have already given the formula. Okay, theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, so what is theta? Angle of semicircle is 180 degree. Okay, so you can write 180 over 360 times 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times, what is radius? Radius is, what is radius? 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. Okay, so 9 plus, what is 180 over 360? 180 over 360 you will get 1 over 2, or you can cancel, both of them are like multiple of 180. So divide by 180 you will get 1 here, divided by 180 you will get 2. Then cancel the 2, then only remaining is 4.55. This is in the exact form. So you can write the final answer 9 plus 4.55. Okay, 9 plus 4.5 pi is the right answer. Okay, the unit is already given here. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. So the next question is question number 9. In the sequence T1 term 1, okay, T1 means term 1 is 17, term 2 is 12, term 3 is 7, term 4 is 2. Find term 5. Okay, so finding term 5, so we will just write, this is only 1 mark, so you can just calculate which number we are adding or which number we are subtracting, like that you can just calculate it and find the next term. Okay, that's enough. So 17, 12, 7 and 2. So just see, here we are subtracting 5, here also we are subtracting 5, so here also we are subtracting 5. So 2, when you subtract 5, you will get 2 minus 5, you will get negative 3. Okay, so 1 mark for this answer, no need to write the steps. Then Tn, so nth term, you already studied the formula. So which formula you already studied, you can follow that. So we have un, an, tn, everything is same. It refers to nth term of the sequence. Okay, so I will write nth term of a sequence. Whatever you studied, tn, un or whatever, you can use the same, no problem. Tn is equal to t1, that is first term, plus n minus 1 into the difference. Okay, so what is t1? T1 is 17 plus n, we don't have value because we are finding the nth term. So n minus 1, what is the difference? Difference is negative 5. Okay, so 17 plus, we need to simplify it. Negative 5 times n is negative 5n. Negative 5 times negative 1 is plus 5. So you will get 17 plus 5 is 22 minus 5n. So the answer is 22 minus 5. Otherwise, you have one more formula, dn plus a minus d. Okay, dn is d is minus 5, so minus 5n plus a minus d. A means first term. First term is 17 minus d is negative 5. So you will get negative 5n plus 22. Whichever method you already know, use the same method. Okay, so that's all. The final answer is 22 minus 5n. So the next question is question number 10. Work out 2 over 3 plus 3 1 over 2. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, so first we will change these numbers, that is mixed number, to normal number. Okay, so 2 over 3, I hope you know this, 2 over 3, you can multiply these two. 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 2. Okay, here we will multiply, here we will add. So 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Denominator will be the same, 3. Okay, so next one, 3 1 over 2, will multiply and add. 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, so 7 over 2. Okay, then adding fractions, you can make the denominator same, multiplying by 2 and 2 here, or 3 and 3 here. You will get 6 as a common denominator. Okay, otherwise here I am using butterfly method, that is 8 times 2. We call it as butterfly method or cross multiplication method. So 8 times 2 is 16, then 3 times 7, that is 21, then we'll multiply these two. 3 times 2 is 6. So 16 plus 21, you will get 37 over 6. Okay, always change mixed improper fraction to mixed number, and here they have mentioned also, write your number as mixed number. So you can use the normal division method, I will show that also. Otherwise you can directly write 6 times 6 is 36, right? So 6 times 6 is 36. What is remaining? 36. We need one more, right? So it will become 37. So 1 over, denominator must be same. Okay, so 6 over 6. By using normal division method, you can divide 6 by 36 like this. So 6 times 6 is 36. What is remaining? 1 is remaining. So we'll write 6 1 over, okay, 6 1 over 6. So that's the answer. Then moving to the next question, find the value of 64 raised to 2 over 3. Okay, so I will write that question here, 64 raised to 2 over 3. Okay, so always remember, whatever we have in the denominator, this will come in the inside the root. Okay, so 3 is denominator, so 3 will come inside the root, so you will get cube root of 64. Okay, then square, this numerator will become like normal square or cube or whatever numerator you have, you can put directly like above like this. Okay, always keep in mind denominator will come inside the root thing. Then what is cube root of 64? Which number we are multiplying 3 times, will get 64, that is 4, right? So 4 square, so cube root of 64 is 4, so square will come here, 4 square is 16. Okay, so the answer is 60. I hope it's clear for you. Then, question number 12. Work out giving your answer in standard form. Okay, work out giving your answer in standard form. Here the first one, 7.1 times 2. Here it is multiplication. Okay, 7.1 times 2, you will get 14.2. Then we have 10 raised to minus 5 times 10 cube. You can use the index rules. So 14.2 times, if you have multiplication, you need to add the indices. So minus 5 plus 3 will become minus 2. So now make sure this is not in the standard form, because here you have a number 14.2. This number must be greater than 1 and less than 10. Okay, it must be less than 10. So we need here 1.42. So we'll rearrange this 1.42. That means we need to multiply by 10, right? So it is 1, here you will get 10 raised to minus 1. Oh, so sorry, I made a mistake here. It is actually 15. So minus 15 plus 3 will become negative 12. So 10 raised to negative 11 you will get, right? Yo, very good. Okay, so 10 raised to negative 11. Here actually it is 12. So negative 12. So be very careful when you rewrite it. Okay, when you rewrite the question, be very careful. Each and every number, make sure you are writing the same. That's why I made a mistake, to make sure you are writing the correct answer. So the final answer is 1.42 times 10 raised to negative 11. Okay. Then moving to the B part, 5.2 times 10 raised to 7 plus 5.2 times 10 raised to 6. This one you can do in many methods. So I will tell you the method one by one. Okay, first method will convert both of them to the normal number. That is 5.2 times 10 raised to 7 will become 52, and how many zeros? So 6 zeros, because 110 we removed the decimal of 5.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. Then plus 5.2 times 10 raised to 6. So 5.2 times 10 raised to 6 will become 52. So how many more zeros we need? We need 5 more zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then add them normally. Then 0, 0 will become 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 2 will become 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 and we'll get 5. So here the final answer is 5.72 times 10 raised to, we need 1, here we are putting decimal here, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will get 10 raised to 7. Then the second method is, suppose sometimes you will get a bigger number here, 10 raised to 99. See, we cannot put 0, 0, 0 like 99 zeros and check, right? So what we are going to do is, here 5.2, this number is bigger, right? So we'll write 52, we'll rearrange, we need the same indices here. Okay, so 5.2 times, we'll separate this 10 raised to 7 like 10 times 10 raised to 6. Okay, this is the first one. Plus second one, we will keep the same, 5.2 times 10 raised to 6. Now you can see 10 raised to 6 is common here, right? So we'll take 10 raised to 6 outside. Then what is inside? Inside we have 5.2 times 10 is 52 plus 5.2, only 5.2 here, so we'll take 5.2. So then you can add 52 plus 5.2. Sorry, when you write this one decimal, you have to write it properly, otherwise you will make mistake. Okay, so we have 52 and we have 5.2. Okay, so we'll add them, so you will get 2, then 7 and 5. So you will get 57.2 times 10 raised to 6. This is not in standard form because the first number must be greater than 1 and less than 10. So you can rearrange them like this, 5.72 times 10 raised to 7. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. So question number 12 is over. So question number 13. Find the number of sides of rectangular polygon with interior angle 162. Okay, so you should know what is the relation between interior angles and exterior angles and all. So, and also the sum of interior angle, sum of exterior angle, and how to find the number of sides, everything you should know. Okay, then what do you mean by regular polygon? Regular polygon means a closed figure in which you have all the sides and all the angles. Regular means all the sides and also all the angles must be equal. That is the word meaning of regular. Okay, then interior angle is given. So that means we have something like this. Okay, we don't know how many sides are there. So one angle is given, interior angle is given, that is 162. So first thing we will find the exterior angle. Exterior angle means we will extend the side, one of the side we will extend. So this angle is exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle, you can see it is a straight line, so total will be 180 degree. So exterior angle, what is exterior angle will be, is equal to 180 minus 162. So 180 minus 162, you will get 18 degree. Sorry, it is 18 degree. Okay, so you have the relation between number of sides and exterior angles. Okay, so number of sides, so you can write number of sides equal to 360 over 1 exterior angle. It must be regular polygon, then only you can use this. Okay, so 18, 18 and 36, 36 over 18, you can cancel this, you will get 2. So we have 1 0, so you will get 20. So it will be 20. So the number of sides will be 20. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Then next one, question number 14. The range, mode, median and mean of 5 positive integers are equal to 10. Find one possible set of 5 integers. We just need one possible set of, one set of the some 5 integers. Okay, so what is given here? Median is given. What do you mean by median? Median means middle number. Okay, median is 10, so the middle number will be 10. Okay, so mode is given, mode is also 10. So mode means we need when you the 10 must be more than one time, like most the number which is more is 10, so 10 at least 2. So for balancing this, because we have mean is 10, so for balancing this I will write 10 here. Okay, so now you can see for these three numbers 10 came most of the time and only 10 we have. Then median is 10. Okay, then what is given? The range is also given. Range means maximum minus minimum. So we need a bigger number than 10 and smaller number than 5. The range must be like 10, then only mean will become 10. So I will write here 15 and 5 also. Okay, so 15 minus 5 is 10. So whenever you are taking range is 10, mode is 10, 10 came 3 times, and the median is middle number is 10 and mean is also 10. Okay, so one of the set is this, and you can change these two. I will show you the marking scheme for the specimen paper. So in which I think they have given 2 or 3 3 more sets here. Okay, so this is what our answer is. You can rearrange them because 10, see, because 10 is coming more time, you can take 10 and 10 and like this. In the same way, like this also you can take. Then make sure the range is 10. So 14 minus 4 must be 10. In the same way here, 16 minus 6 must be 10. Okay, and find a number which has mean the same 10. Okay, then the question number 14 is over now. We'll move to the next question, question number 15. Yes, transformation. Okay, so describe fully single transformation that maps T onto triangle A. T onto triangle A. So here 3 marks. So minimum 3 points we have to write. Okay, like is it which type of transformation is this? And it depends on the transformation. Okay, so commonly we have a reflection. Okay, we have reflection and enlargement, then we have rotation. Okay, so enlargement, you can see whenever one shape is bigger than the other or smaller than the other, you can say it is enlargement. If the size of the shape is changing, you can say it as an enlargement. So it is not enlargement. Like that, one by one you can check and cancel it out. The next one, rotation. If it is rotation, in the reflection it won't rotate. Okay, so sometimes you will get reflection and rotation together, so be very no, enlargement and rotation together, so be very careful. Otherwise here you can see it is rotated. You can use a tracing paper and find out the answer here. Okay, so here the transformation is rotation. Okay, and you keep your tracing paper, and you can see this side when this side when here, right, this rotated and when here, so the angle is 90 degree. Then we are moving clockwise direction, this direction we are moving, so it is clockwise. Then the center you will get this center, 4 and 3 will be the center. Okay, you can use your tracing paper and find out. Otherwise just see, uh, you have the corresponding sides, so the distance from the corresponding side to center will be same. So from these two are corresponding side, you can see this is 2 steps away. From this point also it is 2 steps away. So from this corner and this corner 1 step away, here also 1 step away. Like that, from each corner point you can check. Like this also for center. Okay, I hope this is clear, and we'll be discussing the next question, the question number 16 and onwards in the next part. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you, and thank you.